Hey everyone, this tip might save you a maintenance call or possibly a new microwave oven. Ever notice when you're cooking something and all of a sudden your microwave starts to spark and you know you didn't put any metal in there? Well, stop the machine, take out the food, and when you look around, you're going to see something, a cover like this. It could be on any side of the machine. What that is, it's called a wave cover. Behind it is openings, and the openings shoot out the waves to cook your food. What this does is protects the opening so no food and junk get in it. However, over time, from cleaning, you degrade it. Now, how you know your problem is the wave cover? Well, let's look. This was my wave cover. Okay, and as you can see, there's the burn spot. That's the side facing inside the microwave. Here's the side inside the microwave. It's even worse. It looked like a laser is going through it. So what do? You go on Amazon and you order that part number. If you can't find it under your the part number, just order a blank like this. Get your old one, save it, trace it, cut it out. Use a razor blade because these are pretty fragile for some reason. And you have a new piece. And then what you do is just put it back in because there's just little clamps. You can see the little clamps where it folds into, goes right back in. And cook your new food. If it doesn't spark, that was your problem.